Hi guys, it's a part 2 of unboxing parcel from spanydeals.com. In first part I already told that I have strong suspicions about SP Any Deals have very strong connection to Shop Any Deals. I think it's just obvious. But then please write down comments if you have any suggestions or any thoughts about this. And please subscribe for my channel. It's Vitaly's Diamond Box. And we will continue opening 2 more paintings from SP Any Deals. I really appreciate that you're watching my videos today. Opening picture number 3. Where is my scissors? Okay. Release yourself. Picture number 3. Ooh. I almost cut canvas. It's so sticked here all together. This is very lovely green lady. I ordered this because I never worked with so many green shades before, and I think it will be very big fun to work with all this greenish stuff. Lady looks stunning, very nice, very beautiful. She's still a little bit blurry because it's only 30 by 40, and unfortunately it's even less than 30 by 40 because it's only size of whole canvas 30 by 40, but working area will be much smaller. I already mentioned that these sites are making advertisement about selling 30 by 40 size, but in real life it appears that it's a little bit smaller than it was advertised. Let's check first back of canvas. Back of canvas has no visual damages. It has waves of how it was rolled around these drills. There is no visual damages of glue. Glue is sticky and it's good. As you can see, protective layer has like big wrinkles on it. I don't know what created them. Glue is fine. How symbols look like. As you can see, symbols look like very clear. However, symbols with darker background, a little bit not clear, and under a little bit in scale from 1 to 5, I would say it's 2, where 1 is not clear at all and 5 very clear. It will demand from you a lot of attention, but overall nothing bad with that. As usual, they sent basic kit. It is pen, it is diamond drill tray and piece of box. That's it, nothing more. Painting has a chart with number of colors. It has symbol and it also has DMC. It's very lovely that company indicates here DMC. Drills came again into one stripe, so you don't need to check do you have enough, because they are all starting from 1 until the last one. It should be 24. So here 24 and number 1 somewhere, number 1 here. On the packages there is only a number of a color according to this canvas, and also serial number of a printing. It's WLL1252, and let's check here. It is WLL1252. However, there is no DMC indication here. We have here a very nice minty color. There is no visible damages. Black. And then we have one brown, yellowish, another green with some another color here, another green with some another colors inside. See, it's purples inside. And then very creamy color with additional one. Another yellowish, dark emeralds. One more red, one more green, and then additional color here. All greenish, red, greenish, and brown. Here very nice color. One dark and white. Additional stripe has yellow, red, brown, and pink. This lady will be created with all of these shades of green. She looks very nice. Measuring. We have here 35 on 25. So out of 30 by 40, we have 25 by 35. And the last one. Now I'm afraid to open it because I don't want to damage canvas. No, it was good. So, the last one. Ooh, oh my god, my love here. Oh my god, it's Audrey. Oh, you are so gorgeous. Isn't she lovely? She magnificent. Actual picture, as you can see, is a portrait of Audrey Hepburn made with different paints. Very colorful, very nice, with pale background here. Picture has 22 colors. No visible damages. These all waves are created because it was rolled around drills. Quality of glue. Glue is sticky. This all background, it is very light and it will be almost two colors only, T and J. There are no problems actually with reading of symbols except of probably this dark green F symbol. See, between percentage actual size of our working area is 34.5 and 24.5 out of 30 by 40. Drill chart, which are duplicated here, has a number of columns, how symbol will look, but no indication of DMC, which I don't like. I like when DMC indicated because you can use leftovers in your next works. They sent with this basic kit, pen, I have a tray and I have piece of box, and that's it. Let's check drills. They are all striped together, they connected. You don't need to calculate them or to check do you have enough or not, because they are starting from number 1 and the last number which they have here, it's 22. According to our chart, there are 22 colors in this picture. Here only number of color and canvas serial number K353. And here we do have K353, as you can see here. It's around drills. There is no visible damages. They look nice. Gray, it's pink, it's black, very nice pink. Red, peach color with something else, yellow, violet blue, another red, pink, pink and pink. It's all color number 11 and it is a background of picture. Actually very nice background. Another blue, brown and raspberry color, pale violet, 2 shades of pink, pink and pink, and a little bit like reddish, greenish and dark violet colors. None of them has problems. The ground will be a combination of 2 colors. It will be nice. Audrey will be very beautiful, she will be very colorful. Now let's move on to pricing. I ordered this on spanydeals.com on July 6th. On July 7th I got from their mail that the order was shipped, which were pretty fast responding. I got this parcel on July 21st. I spent for this $13.57, for this $13.81, for this $13.28, and this should be $13.23, but they had some promo on their website, and when I added all of them, this was free. So technically I paid only for 3 of them. Shipping was a shock for me, but shipping was free. I spent totally $40.66. It's United States dollars. It wasn't very expensive order. With 2 benefits, 1 picture was free and shipping was free, which actually never happened with me before. If you enjoyed my video, please put thumb up. If you didn't like me, please put thumb down. If you don't want to miss my next videos, please press the bell, please subscribe, please comment did you like these pictures or not. Please do some suggestions if you want me to improve my unboxing videos. I really appreciate that you spent with me time. I really love you all. Take care and we'll see you soon on my channel. It was Vitaly's Diamond Box. Thank you so much and have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.